Hello students, you are watching our channel, The Educational Hub. Today we are going to discuss meiosis, and at the end of this lecture you will have a short quiz for you, so watch the complete video. So let's start our today's lecture, that is about meiosis. First of all, the definition of meiosis. Meiosis or reduction cell division is a special type of cell division in which a parent cell finally divides into four daughter cells in a way that the number of chromosomes in each daughter cell reduced to half of their parent cell. So that was the definition of meiosis. Meiosis occurs in diploid 2n cell during gametogenesis. Basically, meiosis is a sexual type of reproduction. Meiosis consists of two successive divisions, division 1 and division 2. Division 1 is usually reduction division, and division 2 is just like a mitotic in nature, or we can say that division 2 is just a mitosis, which we have already discussed in our previous lecture. You can see or you can watch that lecture from the link in our description. So the division 1 has four main stages: prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1 and telophase 1. But there in prophase 1 it has 5 sub stages. In mitosis there is no sub stages of prophase, but in division 1 or meiosis there are 5 sub stages of prophase 1, that are liptoten, zygotene, pachytene, diploten and diakinesis. Prophase, as we know that it has 5 sub stages, so prophase is the longest and the most complex phase of meiosis in division 1. The first substage of prophase is liptoten. Before meiosis starts, the chromosomes become duplicated but look like a single thread. Chromosomes start to condense. The centrioles move to the opposite poles. The next substage of prophase 1 is zygotene. In zygotene, chromosomes become more shortened and thickened. Homologous chromosomes attract each other and start synapses. The two synaptic chromosomes are called bivalents or tetrads. The third substage of prophase 1 is pachytene. In pachytene, crossing over between pair of homologous chromosomes occurs to form chiasmata. At chiasmata, basically the crossing over and the exchange of genetic material took place between two non-sister chromatids, and that is why the meiosis is sexual reproduction in nature, because there is an exchange of genetic material between two non-sister chromatids. The fourth substage of prophase 1 is diploten. In diploten, the force of attraction between homologous chromosomes decreases. Homologous chromosomes start to separate, but they will remain attached by Charles Mata. The last stage of prophase 1 is diakinesis. In diakinesis, the chromosomes become further shortened and more thicker. Nucleolus and nuclear membrane disappears. Spindle fibers are also formed. So that was our prophase 1. Now moving towards the second phase of division 1, that is metaphase 1. Metaphase is the shortest phase in division 1 and also in division 2. In this phase, the spindle fibers get attached to the centromeres of chromosomes. Tetrads or the bivalent chromosome align on the metaphase plate, or you can say on equatorial plate. The third phase of division 1 is anaphase. In anaphase 1, homologous chromosomes separate and move towards their respective poles from where they are attached through spindle fibers. Sister chromatids remain attached at their centromeres. The fourth and the last stage of division 1 of meiosis is telophase 1. In telophase, spindle fibers now disappear. The nuclear membrane and nucleolus reappear. Thus, two nuclei are reconstructed, but with haploid number of chromosomes. So that was the division 1 of meiosis. Now we have the division number 2, but the division number 2 is also known as mitotic or mitosis. So we have already discussed the mitosis in our previous lecture, so you can visit or you can watch that lecture through the link given in our description. So that was meiosis and our today's lecture. Here is a quiz for you. Stop the video and mark the answers. I hope you have marked the answer. Here are the answers. So that was our today.